In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF in Adobe Bridge. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is you must have some images in here. I just have the same image copied over and over again. Just ignore this. It's just for the purpose of this tutorial. And then when you have something you want to actually create a PDF of or export it, go to the Window tab up top, hover over Workspace, and then click on Output. Now, when you do this, it's going to give you this output preview over here where you can then go ahead and basically put in your images. So you could put them like this. Of course, you could duplicate them. This doesn't really make sense right now, but just bear with me. It's just for this tutorial. And then you can go to your output settings here on the right, and you could go ahead and create it however you want. You could do like a maximum size. You can do like 2 by 2. You could do 2 up. You could do like whatever you want here. Just play with it a bit. Of course, it's going to allow you to create a bunch of different things. And then here you can change document sizes, pages, resolutions, widths, heights, etc. So a bunch of different things here. You could go ahead and adjust your grids, your margins. So just go through this and actually create a document you wish to export as PDF. And when you've done all that, when you've basically given it all the adjustments you need, just go and click on Export to PDF down here at the bottom, and then select where you want it saved. For example, in the Downloads folder, I'm gonna just basically name it Tutorial. There we go, and I'm going to export it by clicking Save. And when you've done that, it's going to basically take a few seconds. Usually it's processed quite quickly. I'm not sure why it's loading right now, but whenever that's done, you'll be able to, yeah, there we go. I've just basically opened up the PDF on my second monitor, and that's what it looks like. It's totally a PDF of course, my images, which I selected. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.